Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word miraculously. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The doctors were amazed when the patient's condition miraculously improved overnight. Miraculously means in a way that is so unexpected and unlikely that it seems like a miracle or magical intervention has occurred. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.